perfection. With this beautiful thought, a very cheerful good morning to Father Principals, sisters, teachers, parents, and all my dear friends. I, Khushi Chaya of class 9C, is hereby with my classmates to present today's digital assembly. A day without prayer is a day without blessing, and a life without prayer is a life without power. So let's start our day with a beautiful prayer.
ये मत कहो खुदा से मेरी मुश्किलें बड़ी है, ये मत कहो खुदा से मेरी मुश्किलें बड़ी है, इन मुश्किलों से कह दो मेरा खुदा बड़ा है, इन मुश्किलों से कह दो मेरा खुदा बड़ा है। आती है आंधी या तो कर उनका खैर मकदम, आती है आंधी या तो कर उनका खैर मकदम, तूफान से ही तो लड़ने खुदा ने तुझे चुना है। ये मत कहो खुदा से मेरी मुश्किलें बड़ी है, ये मत कहो खुदा से मेरी मुश्किलें बड़ी है, इन मुश्किलों से कह दो मेरा खुदा बड़ा है, इन मुश्किलों से कह दो मेरा खुदा बड़ा है। अग्नि में तप के सोना है और भी निखरता, अग्नि में तप के सोना है और भी निखरता, दुर्गम को पार करके हिमालय कोई चढ़ाए, लाएंगे रंग मेहनत आखिर तुम्हारे एक दिन, लाएंगे रंग मेहनत आखिर तुम्हारे एक दिन, होगा विशाल तरवर वो बीज जो पड़ा है, होगा विशाल तरवर वो बीज जो पड़ा है। ये मत कहो खुदा से मेरी मुश्किलें बड़ी है, ये मत कहो खुदा से मेरी मुश्किलें बड़ी है, इन मुश्किलों से कह दो मेरा खुदा बड़ा है, इन मुश्किलों से कह दो मेरा खुदा बड़ा है, मेरा खुदा बड़ा है, मेरा खुदा बड़ा है।
Now I invite Father Principal to lead us with the school prayer.
Happy morning, my dear students. Let us begin this day with a small prayer. Almighty God, source of life, we worship and praise you. You are the truth and origin of all knowledge. Bless us that we may study well, obey our parents and teachers, and be honest in our behavior. Lead us from darkness to light. Bless our studies and enlighten our intellect. Grant us the grace to seek truth and make us truly wise.
Now it's time for the school anthem, so I request my classmates to lead us with the school anthem.
Scenes of a childhood, scenes of a youth, scenes of a childhood, scenes of a youth. The school we love and cherish, the school we love and cherish, preparing us for life's rough ways, preparing us for life's rough ways. St. Xavier's forever we will cheer, St. Xavier's forever we will cheer. God bless our dear old school, God bless our dear old school, our principal father teachers, our principal father teachers, our playmates students, all other friends of playmates students, all other friends who will write our names in water, who will write our names in water. St. Xavier's our ever meet a friend, St. Xavier's our ever meet a friend. God bless you is a daily bread, God bless you is a daily bread.
The empowered woman is powerful beyond measure and beautiful beyond description. With this, I would like to call my friend Sakshi to deliver a speech on the topic Women Empowerment.
A very cheerful morning to respected Father Principals, sisters, teachers, dear parents and all the Xavier. I, Baldania Sakshi, is here to present a speech on women empowerment. Now, what is women empowerment? Women empowerment can be defined by promoting the sense worth of women and their ability to determine their choice and the right to influence society for social changes for themselves and others. Women play important role in the society. They play the role of a mother, daughter, all at the same time while catering to everybody's need. There are many women who are supremely talented but have no recognition in the society. The major obstruction in the growth and the advancement of women is gender inequality. A divorce is still a taboo in Indian society. Therefore, many women are suffering from abusive marriages. As women were given poor education, they did not get good jobs. Thus, the man remains the bread earner of the family. We should promote women. We celebrate 8th March as an International Women Day. So let's celebrate this Women Day by encouraging and supporting women. Last but not least, being a woman should be a supreme achievement, not your deepest fear. Thank you.
Thank you, Sakshi, for a wonderful speech. Now, Mrityunjay will come and update us with the news of COVID-19 vaccine.
Good morning, respected father, sisters, teachers, parents, and all Xavierites. Today, I am Mrityunjay Jiradia of class 9C is going to talk about COVID vaccine. According to World Health Organization, COVID-19 is a deadly disease caused by coronavirus. It can be prevented or stopped by by washing our hands simultaneously or rubbing it with an alcohol-based sanitizers. Many of the countries were trying to make the vaccine of this COVID-19, but were failing to do so. On 11th January 2021, our Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi gave a speech addressing the people of India that India is going to launch 2 COVID-19 vaccines, namely Covishield and Covaxin, on 16th of January 2021. Full recovery of the vaccine or full coverage will be completed after when 2 weeks are completed after giving the second dose of the vaccine. It is said that the COVID-19 can be affected after vaccinating. So please stay safe, stay secure, follow all the safety measures and protect yourself and your family from this COVID-19. Thank you.
Thank you, Mrityunjay, for updating us with the COVID-19 vaccine. Now it's time for the thought of the day. So, Bhumika will tell us a meaningful thought.
Good morning, respected Father Principal, sisters, teachers, dear parents, and Xavierites. Today I am here with a beautiful thought. Everyone wants happiness. No one wants pain. But you can't have a rainbow without a little rain. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you, Bhumika, for a wonderful thought. A pledge is a way to make us aware of our duties towards our nation. So, I invite Pooja ma'am to lead us with the pledge, and I request all of you to stretch your right arm and get ready for the pledge.
India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall respect my parents, teachers, and all my elders and treat everyone with courtesy. I pledge my devotion to my country and its people. My happiness lies in their well-being and prosperity.
As a citizen of nation, it is a breath and life to sing the national anthem. So, I request all of you to get ready for the national anthem.